my god, okay, so we actually did stumble upon it.
Garage sales are back in season. I got my wife and we're gonna go out to a few garage sales. There's a multi-family garage sale that we saw advertised on Facebook Marketplace. They did say they're gonna have video game console stuff, so it does sound promising. No Lego mentioned though, but that is usually the main thing we go out and hunt for. I need a coffee really badly, so we're gonna grab that before we head to those garage sales. Got the coffee, now we can go to garage sales. So we are on the streets of the street sale, and there is already people setting up right now. We're actually like half an hour early, but it looks like there is some people fully set up, like a table right there. And then we also have some cars parking, so they're gonna be scouting the scene. But yeah, it's looking pretty interesting. A lot of electronics, kind of like coffee pots and stuff. Not our usual, what we like to find, but maybe we'll find Lego. What do you think? Maybe?
I don't know.
$5 for these, for plants. Makes popcorn, 15 bucks. It's pretty cool. Whirly pop.
Sounds like it was like 60s or something.
Yeah. So I think, see that, and then they hadn't raised the water level up to the new, where they put the new house in there.
Yeah.
I mean, you could see, I distinctly remember seeing the lines that got cut with blocks to move it up. So you could go down.
$4, $1. It's actually a pretty good deal if you can find something good. There's some old stuff here too. Mega memory as seen on TV. What is this one? This one looks really old. Huh. Pito of Play-Doh. Interesting. Oh wow. This is the sequel to Jurassic Park, The Lost World. So all books are $1 there. It's not bad. 25 cents for CDs is a really good deal. A lot of classical stuff there though. Oh wow. Old Polaroid camera, 20 bucks. 50 cents for this PC video camera AC adapter. That's kind of cool. Is this a projector? Holy crap. I don't really see projectors a lot. That's nice. Another old camera.
That's a
Tripod,
brand
yeah.
new.
That's
It's
brand new, never used?
Never used. No, never used. Barely came out of the box. We were going to Africa,
Yeah.
and it ended up just being too heavy
Oh
to
yeah.
carry. But it's never been out of the box. And
Yeah.
here's the box.
Yeah, nice. What is this? Did you get it on Amazon?
No, Henry's.
Henry's. Oh,
Yeah, I
nice.
buy
Yeah,
all
yeah.
my stuff at Henry's.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Not Amazon.
I'm actually looking for a tripod because the one that I have is kind of like busted, but it's nice.
But I went on eBay just so that I could have some idea.
A reference,
and
yeah.
they were selling for at 110. So I thought 50 would be somewhat reasonable.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I'll take a look at everything else.
Yes.
Cool. Oh my god, look at the posters. Those are really cool. Holy cow. These are really nice posters, actually. Whew. Too bad I'm moving.
They're great for kids.
Yeah. These are all Black Diamond, almost. Disney. Those are board games I see there. Connects. Hey, there we go. Marvel.
There's a Pokemon book.
Yeah, not bad. Handbook there. And they also, that's Leapfrog. It's like a kind of like Game Boy but for learning. What's this? Oh my god, okay, so we actually did stumble upon some like dinosaurs. Veronica. Yeah, you missed that one. Lego dinosaurs, I've never even seen before. This is kinda cool, right? That's interesting. Yeah. Your garage sale?
Yeah, I mean, it's my parents' stuff.
Parents stuff, okay. How much is the books?
Oh, that, like, honestly, like $1.
$1? What about this guy in here?
Maybe $2.
What? Okay. I might grab this. I'm gonna keep taking a look anyways and just see, this is cool. I've never seen these before. What is it?
That's like a Connects.
Oh, cool. Like this right there.
Yeah.
Nice. Never really got into Connects. Oh, these are the, like Nerf for the Nerf game for Wii?
So we
Yeah.
made a Nerf.
I've seen these for the Mario Kart.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool actually. I like that.
And here's what we got from the street sale today. We got this Pokemon handbook, and to be honest, this is kind of just like an impulse buy. I was just really excited to see the old vintage Lego from 2001, and I even took it out and built one of the monsters that you can get, which is one of the dinosaurs, not monsters, I should say. But it actually transforms, that's why there's some extra pieces in here. But unfortunately, we're missing one piece, which is the tiny tip for the tail, which really sucks, but I'm sure we could probably find it on Bricklink. But regardless, these actually sell for a lot, but I couldn't find any ones that sold recently that are used, but they look to be pretty valuable if you search Bricklink. So I'm pretty happy nonetheless with what we scored today. You know, only spending $3. I think we probably have at least $50 to $80 in value at the very least from what we have here. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like down below. And remember, may your carts always be full.